Nobody's trusting my vision.
That's what I'm looking forward to. The man, the myth, the legend.
Welcome to Detroit, Michigan. I'm here for the Lawntrepreneur Academy live event. Ran into State Trooper Gordy and Lamont, aka Pookie, at the Detroit airport. So we're gonna go see Mike Bladez. He's gonna pick us up at the airport. We're gonna go get some breakfast.
Nice.
We just arrived at the venue. It's the day before the event. We're gonna help set up. I got a fellow YouTuber here. What's up, Mitchell Gordy?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
I'm looking forward to it, man. It's gonna be a fun time. So it's my first year here, so I'm excited to see the speakers that are gonna be here tomorrow. You yourself's gonna be on stage, correct?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
That's what I'm looking forward to. The man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Jamison.
All right, there's Brian going in the bathroom.
Hello, Mr. Paul.
Hey, y'all.
How are you?
Good. Top cut?
Yes, Top Cut Landscaping. 4 years strong. We are just living the dream. Had a tough year, honestly. Yeah, had a tough year, but we're good now. We're here and we're happy, helping out.
What's up, Kyle?
Not much.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Blessing Property Maintenance, been in business 5 years and here for the second time.
Look at this guy.
Hi guys.
The host.
Hey Mitchell, what's up,
buddy?
How are you? Good?
Right out of the bathroom.
Yeah, it's mostly just water. How we doing, Paul?
Yeah.
Look at that setup, that looks awesome.
All right, Fullerton already put me to work.
What? You volunteered.
I know.
I'm like, you gotta go work. I'm eating a Cinnabon right now. Somebody brought 6 Cinnabons. I'm like, yeah, food's my love language.
What's up, Mr. Auman?
What's up, dude? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, man.
What's up, Paul?
What's up, Mr. Jennings?
Together, I think.
Doing good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. Brittany Nicole? You're pretty good at that, Caleb.
Yeah. Lots of practice.
All right, the calm before the storm. So we're gonna help set the room up, get this party started. Tomorrow's place is gonna be packed. Lawntrepreneur Academy Live. All right, Jeremiah, you got a new addition to the family?
Yeah, Jack is here. Jack showed up beginning of September, so he is hanging out, having a good time. It's his favorite thing to go to sleep in. So.
Is this his first flight?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
First trip.
Yep.
How did he do?
He did good.
He slept pretty much the whole time on the second flight. First flight, he was awake, but he didn't fuss.
But
So
he did awesome.
we'll take it.
Yep.
Y'all excited for LAL?
Yeah, we're excited. It's our first time, so
Yeah.
getting everything set up today and hopefully have a good event tomorrow. Get a lot of podcasts. Get you back on the show.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yep. What are your goals for this show?
Get as many excellent podcast interviews as possible.
There you go. Looking
There's
forward
nothing
to
like podcasting in person.
it. Yeah.
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 They turn out way better, audio-wise and quality-wise.
Yeah. Yeah. Just the human interaction really makes for a good interview. Looking forward to it.
Look at those fingers. Almost breaking a sweat too, Mitchell.
Almost.
Hey, ladies.
Moisture. Look, we've got it. We can do this. Okay. We need this. You have. Oh, you have a lot of parts. Here. Yeah. All right. But no money yet. Hold on.
Oh!
It looks good on video.
It'll look really good on video. Promise. Nobody's trusting my vision.
Paul says it looks good on video.
Getting ready to calm before the storm.
That's right. The storm has already started. This has been a long afternoon. It's fun though. Get everything set up. This is stuff nobody sees.
What? Somehow Mitchell always shows up in the vlog.
That's right, man. It's the right place at the right time.
This is the host right here. What's up, Brian?
Hey guys, how we doing? Thank you so much for following along. You hit the record button on this?
Yeah, we're live.
Oh, you got the red button.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you hit the red button this whole weekend.
Yeah, I got it.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, thanks for hosting us. We got 316 people coming to Detroit, Michigan.
Yep, it's gonna be awesome, man. And we've pulled out all the punches this year. I mean, I'm bringing the best of the best that I know, that I can network with. I was trying to add it up. There's probably 80 to 90 million dollars of company represented here on the weekend.
Wow.
That's sharing from stage. Got to learn something.
Yeah, if you guys miss Lawntrepreneur Academy Live year 4, come to year 5 next year for sure.
Next year, of course, we'll pull out all the stops. It'll be the 5th year, the kind of little half anniversary year of being around for a decade. But it's wild.
And I've attended every single one. This is my 4th year, so.
It's wild, man. It just keeps getting bigger and better.
Year 1, Brian actually started his podcast the Sunday after year 1.
Do you remember how tired we were that next day?
That was funny.
We were exhausted.
We like hit record, and if Mr. Producer ever finds out, it'd probably be pretty
We still
funny.
got the original file.
Oh, really?
It's privated on the hosting platform.
I got you.
But nobody's ever heard it. But it was like, hello? Are we on? You're like, dude, you're live. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh,
Look who it is.
KB. Hey, friends. How are you? Good.
What's up, Corey?
What's up, boss? How are you?
What's up, Cass?
What's going on, Paul? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
This your girlfriend?
Yes, it is.
I'm Kayla. Nice to meet you.
I met you before.
Oh, yeah.
You came to Lawntrepreneur Academy. What's up, James?
Hey, buddy. Glad to be here.
This is Mondays with Manscaped. Man, it's been a minute since we've done a podcast.
It has.
Well, we're gonna bang one out this weekend, so stay tuned.
We got a first timer here.
Rookie.
My unofficial co-host of the vlog here, Mitchell. Every time. But how was Black Rock? First time eating there.
It was awesome. I don't know if we were eating on like a Belgard paver or a Unilock paver, but it was really cool, man, how it stayed hot so long.
Thanks for the generosity, Fullerton.
Anytime, brother. Steak on a stone. It was good.
That was awesome.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
So good.
A Belgard paper. That's pretty good. That's actually pretty cool. I never thought about that.
We here. Full throttle. Get my podcast equipment. There's the man hosting 316 people. You know, most weddings aren't that big, and you're just cool as a cucumber.
Just hanging out, man. Hanging with my friends.
What's up, Mac?
Not too much, bro. You gotta have me on your podcast. I'm telling you, I'm special.
I'm set up over there.
I'm ready. I'm ready whenever you are, my bad.
Nice to meet you. Listen to you every day. Every day.
Thank you.
Love Dr. Frank. Love Dr.
This is
Frank.
my wife, Paul. How you doing? My wife, Cassie. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Cassie.
We got to listen to Sunday service.
Oh, wait.
Awesome. Mitchell's telling me to get my act together. He's freaking right.
Get it
You know
together.
that?
Get it together.
Been saying that for a while, Caleb. First in line.
What's up, Paul?
Minnesota.
Yeah.
Morning.
Minnesota's right.
Morning, y'all.
Morning. We are the day of the show. He always shows up in my vlogs.
You always hit record when I'm standing around.
So you pumped up, Mitchell?
I am, man. I'm excited about this. So I'm a rookie attendee here at LAL 2022. So I've talked to so many guys that have been here, 3 and 4 years. I'm interested to see what's in store and the speakers that are here. So I hear there's a good lineup.
How did you and Corey Ballard meet?
How did we meet?
At work, she fell in love immediately.
That stalked me.
Look at those
He
biceps.
stalked me.
Look at those biceps. How did you meet for real?
At work.
What do you mean at work? Oh, you worked for Perfect Cut?
Yeah, she came in and started working in the office, and I'm like, and then she just fell in love. I don't know.
I came all the way from Atlanta. Come on. Who's excited to be here? All right, let's try this one more time. Are there any ladies in the house to help us with this? Any single ladies? Any of you guys got like a sister or a cousin or something for Paul? He's really trying. He's really trying. Anybody? All right, move on, Bladez. Yeah, all right.
How's it going?
All right, how are you?
You enjoying the
It's good experience. First time, so it's been good.
How's it going, guys?
Excellent. Learning a lot. What's up, man?
How's it going, Bedell?
Just talking about who wins when you succeed.
How's it going, Mitchell?
It's going great, man. Just had a delicious lunch.
Yep. Glad you came?
I'm very glad I came. Yeah.
It's good to be in the community, huh?
I think you just hit record because I walked up near you.
So far, I'd say it's the best one yet. I've been coming here every single year it's been going on.
What do you think, Tom?
I've been here 2 years, and this is definitely a lot better than last year.
It's been such a good morning. I feel like if everybody left now, there's still things that they could take home with them without even seeing the afternoon. Like, it's just been such a full morning.
How's your event going, Ben?
Oh, it's going awesome, man. It's some good content going on. Mike Andes, they had a really good event in there, and he spoke really good. It's going really good. I'm just pretty excited so far. It's been a good turnout. It's a good event. So.
Just met Owen. What's up, Owen?
Nice to meet you, buddy. I feel like I know you.
Yeah.
All these podcasts and stuff, I feel like I know your life.
Thanks for listening to the show. You having a good time?
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
What's up, guys? I just met Elmer. E-L-M-E-R, like the glue?
Got it.
Nice. That was my grandpa's name.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
Elmer, yeah.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Yeah, how's the event going?
Oh, it's going great. Yep. Finally, I should get to meet you in person. And yeah, I love you both, by the way. So.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm just grabbing my number 4, I think, cup of coffee.
You and Mark looked like you had a good conversation.
Yeah. That was the first first chance I ever had to meet him. I never met him before.
Like you guys are dropping some knowledge on each other.
Yeah. That was good.
How's the event going?
Good. I've really enjoyed these. We were just talking here.
Yeah.
We were just talking about how it's easy to come to these events. He has 12 pages of notes and translate that to one thing that you're going to do different, because it's so easy to be completely like, I'm going to do all these things, and you have an emotional hangover, and you try to implement everything, and it all fails because you're trying to do too much at once. Bite-sized pieces, one thing at a time, and fully implement it until it's part of your habit and DNA. You don't even think about it. It doesn't take any willpower anymore. That's the secret to these events.
Oh, wow. You ain't got everything. You see that? He's so sweating. That's how you got to, baby.
How's the event going?
It's going good.
It's going good, Paul. Going really good, you know.
Enjoying every bit of it. Can't wait for Paper Pete.
Ready for that part, yes.
It's
One of the best one.
How's the Lawntrepreneur going?
Oh, it's great. It's great. Learning lots of good stuff. Technical side, but also getting really good inspiration. Yes. Just to get out there, keep grinding, and make something happen.
How was it, guys?
It's great. Very informative, and looking forward to bringing back some of the knowledge back to back home and seeing what 2023 brings.
How is the event?
Good.
Do you like coming and hanging out with the Lawn Bros?
I love it. Oh, it's good. Lots of good information.
Having a good time, PJ?
Yeah. Getting to talk to a lot of people, getting some ice cream here.
Is that your wiener?
That's my wiener. Thanks, Paul. Showing my wiener to the whole world.
Well,
And it's got cheese on it.
All right, you trying to get on the podcast?
I'm not letting you off the hook till I'm on that podcast with you. I listen to it every day. 7 days a week. Yeah. Go follow my YouTube channel. Mac Landscaping and Lawn Care. Follow my Instagram. Paul don't know how special I am yet. But he's going to know, because I ain't going to stop bothering him until he puts me on the doggone podcast.